Hey, Merry Christmas from BIBSTER repair shop. We're showing off, playing with something cool today. Christmas present here. Check this thing out. You guys know I love my coffee. This thing makes it fast. So I'm gonna do a little cool little how it works, and throw this up, and hopefully you all are having a great holiday and spending time with family and friends. And we'll be well. Just check. Right, so you get the thing spinning. So the tip is touching the way down. Look down in there. It's working there. And then you just slowly pour in. Oh, that was not slow. Pour in the grounds. And then it'll take about a minute here. 15 part. It'll slowly start spinning. I usually kind of crank it up a little bit with this dial. Get it back to being a tornado-like activity. Maybe it's a little too much. There you go. So now we wait 20 minutes. I want to make sure we at least had a formal in the picture. Let's have some kind of a tractor. So how this thing works is there's a metal cup right here, and inside there's a little plastic piece, and there's supposed to be like a little magnet in that plastic, and this thing basically puts an inductive, I don't know, electrons or pixels we'll say, and makes that thing spin using magnets. So basically, you ever seen one of those chemistry videos where you got those spinners where it's like they'll put it on a table and they'll put a little, like, it looks like a little pill, it spins, kind of similar to that. So it spins the water up. So when you put your coffee in, shut up, Paul. When you put your coffee in, it spins it around, so it helps it basically make cold brew instead of like in 24 hours in like 15 minutes. Paul. Yeah, you're fine. Anyway, so in about 20 minutes, or about 15 minutes now, it's like medium done, which is what I like. So we'll bring you back. Hopefully you have this shaped object underneath your tree today as you open them up. We'll be right back. Spin. Look at it. Look at him spin. Look at all that good caffeine beans. Yes. You'll motivate me to do things today, caffeine. Yes. What? Shh. Dun. Caffeine. Dun. All right. It's been 20 minutes, so now turn the tornado off, and you'll let that sit for 5 minutes. That'll help all of the caffeine particles go to the bottom. That's what you want. So I'll bring you back in 5 minutes. Put on this thing, essentially like a French press. I'll push that down. And that should get most of the grinds out of the bottom, and it'll lock down in. Locks down to that little metal piece where all the grounds will be. Then you're done. So we'll get this out of the way and take a pour. Now, if I just had a cup here. Oh, what are you doing, Formal? Oh, thank you. Do. Pour that over ice. Delicious. Brown caffeine water. Thank God for you. All right. Have a Merry Christmas, everybody. We'll see you on the next one, and we got some more projects coming up we're excited about. Have a safe, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. on the next one. See you on the next one. Bye.